Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into a detailed guide on troubleshooting why templates might not be showing up in CapCut on your iPhone, along with potential fixes and code-related considerations, though CapCut's templates aren't directly manipulated via code by the user. We'll cover various scenarios, checks, and workarounds. Understanding the template system in CapCut. Before we troubleshoot, it's crucial to understand how CapCut's templates work. This isn't about directly writing code to create or modify templates. Instead, we're focusing on the factors that influence the app's ability to access and display the pre-built templates that CapCut provides. Cloud-based CapCut templates are primarily stored and managed on CapCut servers, or associated content delivery networks, CDNs. When you open CapCut and navigate to the Templates tab, your app communicates with these servers to retrieve a list of available templates, along with their previews and the data required to apply them to your videos. Template structure. Templates typically consist of several components. Video/image placeholders. Designated spots where you'll insert your own media. Text layers. Editable text elements that can be customized. Transitions. Visual effects that connect different clips. Audio. Background music